Hey folks, I just spent a great evening with three of my dearest friends and we talked about many topics. And there's one topic that I obviously have in mind all the time currently. It's discipline. And I had this conversation with one of my friends and he was telling me about a great hack he heard. I really believe that when you want something, when you want to be disciplined, the strong will you'll have and determination is absolutely key. Okay, if you want to quit smoking, it's not about convincing yourself I want to quit smoking because it's bad for my lungs and stuff like this. You really quit smoking when you just don't want to smoke anymore, when it's not a desire anymore. That's the best way. It's just obvious for you to stop. But I think that in the bad moments you may have, when you really need to make the extra effort to make sure that you keep going, to make sure that your decision is true, your commitment stays alive. There is a hack he told me about that I found kind of interesting. Is you make a decision like I'll meditate every day, um, and you write a letter to yourself. But you don't keep this letter for you. You give this letter to someone you love. And you tell this person, give me the letter when I'm in doubt. Okay? So you want to meditate daily. One day you're like, I'm so tired, I won't meditate anymore. And this person gives you the letter and you read it. And it's like words about why do you do it, why it's so important, why it matters, what gives you more energy. Or it can be like, I don't want to be angry anymore. You get the letter and just it forces you to smile and or to laugh and stops you from letting these bad emotions take control of you. So a quite interesting hack. It's not a solution at all to be really disciplined. I really think that determination is key, like pure determination. But it's quite interesting. So I hope you liked it and let's try it together. See you tomorrow.